Estonia is known for its convenient and fast solutions for founding companies. However, in addition to that, all legal entities registered in Estonia can communicate with the registrar electronically in all respects, even after the company has been founded. Changing data, doing a background check on other legal persons, submitting annual reports, all this can be done electronically and in the e-business register, regardless of your location. A new legal person can be registered in the e-business register in just a few hours, regardless of where you're physically located. In addition to Estonians, the functions of the e-business register portal are available to e-residents and citizens of other states, such as Latvia, Lithuania, and Belgium. When founding a company, the portal assists with different tools in comparing legal forms, checking the business name, and drafting standard articles of association. If desired, a private limited company can be founded without making an immediate share capital contribution. You can communicate with the registrar electronically. If the company is already registered and later wants to change, for example, its business name, members of the management board, or articles of association, the members can also perform these operations electronically without leaving home. Estonia is unique. For about 10 years now, our entrepreneurs have been submitting their annual reports only electronically. We have saved hundreds of tons of paper and legwork for entrepreneurs. But in addition to preparing, approving, and submitting reports in the e-business register portal, the same environment also allows viewing the annual reports submitted by all other entrepreneurs and reviewing their financial indicators. Small enterprises, entrepreneurs just starting out, nonprofit associations, and foundations can use the online accounting software eFinancials if they wish. Its simple structure allows the entrepreneurs to deal with accounting and invoicing themselves at first, but they can also add authorized persons, such as accountants. In eFinancial, sending unlimited e-invoices to the public sector is free for everyone. The software also provides an easy way to upload your annual report data directly to the reporting environment. In addition to submitting your reports and petitions, e-business register also provides access to the data of other legal entities to view official data in real time. You can verify prohibitions on business and entrepreneurship, examine lists of members of political parties, tax information, and information on state agencies and artistic associations. Inquiries are not strictly limited to Estonian associations. For background checks, data can also be requested from various European countries via the European Business Register. Contractual clients can use advanced search options and make mass queries through API services. In cooperation with banks, e-business register has developed a visualization tool to illustrate the connections between entrepreneurs. The solution, originally developed for detecting money laundering schemes, is available to all contractual clients of e-business register. As a useful tool for background checks, visualization also includes shortcuts to the official announcements, e-land register, and the European Business Register. Today, e-business register includes more tools, opportunities, and signposts than ever before. It has been created based on the users, on which steps and services could be combined for more convenient communication with the state and ease of use. See you in the e-business register window.